Okay, welcome back. So in this module, we're going to be looking at the different comparison operators in Python. So we have the greater than, we have the less than, and the greater than returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand, and it returns true. Less than returns true if the left operand is less than the right. Equals to is going to be true if both conditions are true. So if both operands are true, it's going to return true. The not equals to will return true if the operands are not equal. Greater than or equals to will return true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right. Less than or equals to will return true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right. So let's go to our VS Code right now. So we'll continue from where we stopped. So if I say, let's go to our interpreted environment. So if we simply say 5, for example, equals to 5 as we used above, we will see that this will return true. Okay, so let's start with greater than. If I say 7 greater than 9, this is going to return false because 7 is not greater than 9. So we say that it will only return true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. So if I say 9 greater than 7, then it will return true. The next thing we are going to look at is the less than operator, and we said that this only returns true if the left hand operator is less than the right hand operand. So if I say 7 less than 9, for example, this will return true because 7 is actually less than 9. But if I say 4 is less than 2, it's going to give me false because 4 is not less than 2. The next one is the equality, and we've seen equality before, but we can also take a look again. Now if I say 8 is equals to 9, this is going to give me false because 8 is not equals to 9. Alright, so we can also check the equality of strings. So if I say something like a string hello is equals to a string hi, for example, this will give me false because hello is not equals to hi. But if I say hello equals to hello, this is going to return true because hello is equals to hello. If I also say something like, now we're going to look at the inequality. So if I say hello is not equals to hi, so not equals to hi, this is going to return true, okay, because hello is not equals to hi. Now if I also say something like hello is not equals to hello, this is going to return false. And the reason it's going to return false is because hello is actually equals to hello. So if I say hello is not equals to hello, it's going to return false. Okay. Now the next one we're going to look at is the less than or equals to. Now, if I say 4 is less than 4, for example, this will give me false because 4 is not less than 4. 4 is equals to 4. So there might be a situation whereby you want to find if a certain value is less than or it is equal to, then it can go ahead. For instance, voting. Okay, for you to be able to vote in most countries, you have to be 18 and above. So if you are 18, you can vote. So if I say greater than or equals to 18, okay, so if I say something like let's say 18 greater than or equals to 18, this is going to return true. So someone that is at the age of 18 can vote. someone above 18 can vote. So that's what we use greater than or equals to. Likewise, we also have less than or equals to. So if I say 45, for example, less than or equals to 45, this is going to return true. If I say 45 is less than or it is equals to 98, this will also return true. But if I say 45 is less than or equals to 23, this will return false because it is not less than, nor is it equals to 23. So thank you very much. In the next segment, we are going to look at logical operators.